Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to highlight text in Google Sheets. If you've ever found yourself struggling to make certain info really pop on your spreadsheet, maybe you want to call out important data or make a specific row stand out for a presentation, this is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know how to actually highlight and accent text the right way in Google Sheets, so your data is clear, organized, and impossible to miss. Now let's dive right in. You might be thinking, well, can't I just click and drag my mouse across the text to highlight it like I would in a Word document? And honestly, that's a super common first instinct. In applications like Word or Google Docs, selecting with your mouse really does highlight the text itself, like with a highlighter pen. But in Google Sheets, clicking and dragging only selects the cell or a range of cells. It doesn't visually highlight the text for you or anyone else looking at the sheet. So what do you do if you want a chunk of text or a specific cell to really stand out? The best way is to use cell formatting, specifically adding a background color, often called fill color. This is like coloring behind your text to make it jump out against everything else. Let's do this together. First, click on the cell or range of cells you want to highlight. If you're aiming for just a single word or a particular message in your table to pop, select that specific cell. Once it's selected, look up at the top of your Google Sheets window and find the little paint bucket icon. This is your fill color tool. Give that a click and you'll see a palette of colors appear. Pick a bright shade. Yellow is a classic highlighter color, but you can choose whatever color makes sense for your project. As soon as you click the color, you'll see your cell filled in, instantly making it stand out on your sheet. Now, adding fill color alone often does the trick, but if you really want to make things unmistakably obvious, maybe you're creating a checklist, a budget, or something where visual clarity is key, you can put a border around the cell as well. Think of a border like drawing a box around your highlighted note in a notebook. It helps direct focus and neatly separates what's important. To do this, keep your cell or range highlighted, then look for the Borders button up top. It usually looks like a little square with borders around it. Click on it and you'll see options to add a border to just one side, all sides, or even customize the thickness. For most cases, the default all borders works great. Click and there you have it. Your cell is both colored and surrounded by a neat border. And don't worry if at first you don't pick the perfect color, or if you decide you want to highlight a different cell later. You can always change the fill color or border style after the fact. Nothing's permanent until you're happy with how everything looks. It's all about experimenting with what makes your spreadsheet easiest to navigate and understand. So that's it. Now you know how to properly highlight text in Google Sheets using fill color and borders. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or run into any issues, just drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more clear step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.